How's everyone doing today? Today I just want to go over like a book review. Um, it's well, let's just get into it. It's Come Into My Trading Room by a man named Dr. Alexander Elder. Okay, he's a doctor because he's a doctor of psychology. Um, this book is a Barron's bestseller. Uh, best investment book of 2002. It was named, and Coming to My Trading Room is it's pretty obvious of what it's about. It's about trading tactics and things of that sort. Um, I'm gonna go over the main topics in this book, and just gonna go a little bit in depth. 'Cause I don't want to spoil anything inside of it, but it's first off, it's more of like a sequel, I guess you can say, to Trading for a Living. This one, by Dr. Alexander Elder, and this one is over psychology, trading tactics, and money management. This is the first of the two of these two books. But we're going to put that one aside because I feel that the second book is actually more important to the trader or to the investor and stuff. And we'll skip between these two books during the video. But anyway, I want to pay your attention to the three main points he makes in this book, okay? And I drew a triangle here. The concept is at Dr. Alexander Elder's concept, but I just drew it. I'm going to draw it in triangle form. This isn't the best triangle to draw it on, but this is just a diagram of how I looked at the emphasis on what he's saying. So the first one would be the mind would be the base. Money management. And method. Okay. Mind or money management, method, and mind. Being a psychologist, he puts more emphasis on mind, which is why this is the base of this triangle. Okay, and he calls these the three M's of successful trading. So I don't want to write the whole thing out, but I just want you to know that it's called the three M's of successful trading in this book. So anyway, being a psychologist, he puts a lot more emphasis on the mind, the psychology of trading. Okay, he mentions that you can have all the money in the world, and you can have maybe the best method, the best computerized version of of trading software, um, but you can't do anything unless you can't be successful in trading unless you're disciplined, unless you have the confidence in your own system. And he helps you. I mean, a good chunk of this book, about half of this book, is all about the psychology of trading, all about the types of things that you need to gain into yourself when you trade. You need a certain form of discipline, of confidence. You need to be able to take risks. Um, you can't be a like a scared pig and not take a trade when it's obvious to take one. But you can't overly take trades. You have to pay attention to the quality of the trade and not the quantity of what you're trading. That he emphasizes that in his mind section. So that takes about a good half of the book, and that's why this is the base of the triangle. The left side, well, there's really these are pretty much even on well, actually, he puts more emphasis on money management than he does method. We'll go over money management first. Money management. All right. In this section, which takes about a little bit more than method, I guess. He goes over a lot of different things. How to protect yourself from risk. How to actually not protect yourself from risk. I shouldn't say that. How to protect your losses. Basically, he goes over the difference between a businessman's loss, or I forgot the terms he used, but he's very in depth with it all. He goes over how to calculate slippage, taking commissions out. I won't even write on the side. Taking commissions out. He emphasizes the need to put stops on all of your trades, especially if you're a daily trader, especially if you're a position trader. Actually, every trade. So that's his money management things, and he gives a bunch of formulas, and he shows you how to be organized in this section of the triangle. Especially in the back of the book, he gives a lot of examples on how he is organized in money management. The third M is method, and this is all basically technical analysis, things like that. In trading for a living, he introduces a thing called the force index, and well, I'm not gonna write it down. The force index and the elder impulse system, and I don't know if he did anything else other than that, but the main things are the force index and the elder impulse system. Oh, and there's another one that tracks the amount of power the bulls have over the amount of power that the bears have in the market. So, and I forgot what that one's called, but he goes over a lot of different things on method. He goes over a lot of classical charting things. More so actually in trading for a living, he goes over classical charting. And coming to my trading room, he gets more computerized. So that's basically this triangle just basically sums up all of this. This goes very in depth with a lot of things, and he gives a lot of clear-cut examples on trades that you need to be aware of. And this is a great book to get into the markets with. Same thing with trading for a living. This is a great book also to get into the markets with. I got both these books on Amazon. Chiefly, I would suggest coming to my trading room for beginner investors and also trading for a living. So both these books are great, and I don't think I'll have enough time to go over the biography of Dr. Alexander Elder here, but you know what? I'll put a link to a type of biography for him, because I don't know enough about him to actually talk about himself. So I'll put that up in the description, and yeah, so please like, comment, rate, oh yeah, and subscribe, of course. And well, yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.